Hello everyone. This video is about the benefits of using Dialog together with a companion product also offered by Dialog Solutions called the Drug Safety Triager, created especially for pharmaceutical companies or their partners who work with them on medical literature monitoring. In the last two videos, we saw how to create and run a search in Dialog for references to any adverse effects of a drug, and how you can set up an alert that will rerun the search for you automatically on a regular scheduled basis of your choice, such as monthly or weekly, or even every day for some databases, and then email the results to you also automatically. Beyond that, if you're part of a team at a pharmaceutical company that's responsible for medical literature monitoring for a drug, or a vaccine, or for a device that you're developing or marketing, then you're well aware of the importance of maintaining awareness of new references as they are published, and making timely reports to the regulating bodies, such as the Food and Drug Administration in the US, or the European Medicines Agency in Europe, or the Pharmaceuticals and Medical Devices Agency in Japan. Pharmaceutical companies are required to review the published literature for ICSRs, individual case safety reports, monitor for safety signals, and submit aggregate reports. And if that's you, you might want to strongly consider supplementing Dialog with the Drug Safety Triager. The Drug Safety Triager is a fully validated system for medical literature monitoring that will streamline your workflow and increase process efficiency for you and your colleagues. The DST will accept your Dialog alert results as XML content, automatically assign references based on work allocation of your literature review staff for assessment of reportable ICSRs, individual case safety reports, and easily facilitate triaging records to your physicians for additional workflow, including aggregate reporting and signal evaluation. The Drug Safety Triager will create the necessary documents for the relevant sections of aggregate reports, such as PSURs, Periodic Safety Update Reports, PBRERs, PBRs, or Periodic Benefit and Risk Evaluation Reports, and DSURs, Developmental Safety Update Reports. The DST will also help with administrative tasks such as compliance reports and much more. And throughout the process, the DST will maintain an audit trail of every action undertaken for each reference to ensure your full and timely compliance with the regulations for patient safety and for a system that is audit-ready. So, if you're working on medical literature monitoring of pharmaceuticals or medical devices, and you need a validated system for regulatory compliance and an end-to-end solution that is audit-ready, we invite you to get in touch with us for more information about the Drug Safety Triager from Dialog Solutions, and for a free demonstration of how it works. Just send us an email to sales@dialog.com. Thanks for using Dialog, and enjoy the rest of your day.